Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about having class. So how can we use this? So first of all, I just want to write my basic structure here. Select from, and so whenever we use the having, we have to group our columns. So I just write here group by, and here having. So here under from, I select the table price. So under select, I just choose the product column and product price column. So here I have to group these two columns, group by product and product price. And here under having, so basically having and where are the same, but the difference is with having we can use the functions. So here I just want to use the sum function. So we just type here sum, and here I select the product price, I need the sum of the products greater than 300 and run the query. Here it is. You can see here we have 5 rows. We have bet, you can see the price, all of these are greater than 300. Since you can see the rag and desk, these are less than 300, but we have here more rags. We don't have just 1 or 2. And here, so I just clean these two and run. You can see here I have more few racks and also the desk. Yes. So now I want to run again and using the having clause. So I just have to group this first, group by product and product price having, and here I want to find the number of product price more than 2. So I just type here count product price greater than 2. Run. Here it is. You can see we have more than 2 fans, couch, rag and desk. So that's it about aggregating data or using having clause in SQL. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.